From TV to YouTube. In this video, you are going to learn how to go back to TV from YouTube. So let's get started. Returning to regular TV viewing from the YouTube app on your smart TV is generally straightforward. Here are general steps you can follow, but please keep in mind that the exact process might vary slightly depending on the make and model of your TV. So, press the Home or Smart Hub button on your TV remote. Locate the Home button or a button labeled Smart Hub or similar. Press it to go to the main menu. Then navigate to Input. Use the arrow keys on your remote to navigate through the menu. Look for an option like TV, Live TV or TV Input. Then select the TV source. Once you have highlighted the TV or Live TV option, press the OK or Enter button on your remote to select it. Return to Live TV. You should now be back on your regular TV input and you can resume watching live television. That's all. That's how you can go back to TV from